I'll do scrambled adobo flakes with potatoes and mushroom. You can turn it into breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
1 more minute to grab your ingredients. Remember, no hoarding.
I chose the Purefoods Adobo Flakes. One, it's easy to cook. It's also very flexible. Yung Purefoods Adobo Flakes, you can actually cook it in water. So yun yung ginawa ko. I learned to taste habang niluluto ko siya. So nare-recover ko na, medyo maalat. So dagdagan natin ng ganito. Medyo ganyan, kulang pa nito. So I'm hoping they don't need to love it. Pumasa lang kahit papaano na. It's something that can be served.
You have 30 seconds.
This one is something for the books. Walang maniniwala na sumali ako sa cook-off. Kasi dati, kahit mag-boil ng egg, hindi ako marunong. Ganun ako kalala sa kusina. So it took me 40+ years, but at least now I'm here joining a cook-off and I survived.